Top 24 bass fishing lures every beginner has to try in 2026. Day one of my fishing lure advent calendar. Let's see what fishing lure I get on day one, December 1st. Okay, where's December 1st? Okay, I want everybody to be honest and rate this from 1 to 10. What you think of this fishing lure? Oh, man. Oh, that's sweet, man. Look at the detail on that. It's got the paddle tail. Got the hook up top here. Got the loop up here to tie off to. What are you giving day one fishing lure on a scale from 10 to 1? 10 is great, 1 is not so great. Day two of our fishing lure advent calendar. Let's see what kind of cool fishing tackle we get on day two, December 2nd. Okay, we're looking for day two, December 2nd. Let's see what kind of fishing tackle we get today. Here goes nothing. Oh, nice. All right, looks like we got some nice soft plastics. Put these on a jig. All right, we're rating these from 1 to 10. 10 great, 1 not so great. Day 3 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Let's see, where's number 3? Number 3 is going to be a good one. It's nice and big. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. All right, it looks like we have another good one here. Look at that lure, man. Beautiful. Okay, looking for day 4 or December 4th. See what fishing lure we get today. Oh, that's sweet, man. Look at that. See what we got here. Oh, that's nice. It looks like we got a nice little spoon there. Look at that. Let's take a quick closer look at that spoon there. What do you think of day 4 on our fishing lure advent calendar? Rate it from 1 to 10. 10 is awesome. 1 is give it to my little brother. All right, let's see what fishing lure we're getting today on day 5 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Oh, man, look at that. All right, let's open this up and see what we got here. Oh, that's sweet. So what we have here is a prop bait. And here's the prop. It's a topwater lure. It floats. It imitates the stress bait fish. You're going to catch bass, pike, and muskie with this lure. It's great for shallow water. This might be the nicest one we had so far. Day 6, December 6th of our fishing lure advent. Oh, man. Popper lures have a concave face. It is designed to create a popping or a splashing sound. It leaves a bubble trail when twitched through the water. Popper lures are excellent for predatory fish like largemouth bass, trout, and pike. Here we go, December 7th. Oh man, look at that. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh man, look at that thing. This design emits low frequency vibrations to attract fish. It also helps to trigger strikes while eliminating line twist. This inline spinner is effective for trout, bass, and all kinds of panfish. In day 8 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Oh man, look at that. This is a gold colored metal vibration blade fishing lure with red 3D eyes. It has multiple toe points on the back to adjust the vibration frequency and the speed in the water. The lifelike appearance and realistic swimming action helps attract predatory fish like bass, trout, and pike. This fishing lure is made with durable metal and comes with sharp treble hooks. It's a versatile lure and suitable for all depths of water. All right, let's see what fishing lure we get on day 9. Oh man, look at that. All right, let's open this up and check it out. Oh man, look at that. I don't even have to tell most of you what that is. This is a Booyah Pad Crasher Jr. hollow body topwater fishing lure in leopard frog color pattern. Super soft collapsible body is designed to increase the hookup when that big bass slams you. It is equipped with a rugged double hook and an internal weight system. These frog lures are highly effective for catching bass in heavy cover. Use 30 to 60 pound braided fishing line depending on the density of the cover you are fishing. What day is this? Okay, let's see what fishing lure we get today on day 10. Oh man! Oh man! This is a gold colored fishing spoon lure. The hammered finish reflects light to attract fish. It is designed to mimic dying bait fish as it falls through the water column, so you can actually get a strike as you're dropping this. It is typically used for casting or jigging in both fresh and salt water. All right, let's see what fishing lure we get today on day 11. Oh man! Oh man! All right, let's open it up and see what we get today. These are soft plastic curly tail fishing grubs. The wide tail creates a strong swimming action. These can be used in various fishing techniques, including casting and retrieving, jigging, and trolling.
Oh my God!
Grubs are effective for bass and walleye. What other kind of fish do you catch with the soft plastic fishing lure? Day 12 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Okay, here we go, opening day 12 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Oh man! Oh man! All right, let's open this up and see what we got here. This fishing lure floats. It's designed for shallow water. It measures 1.7 inches long and weighs about 1/5 of an ounce. It has a tight wobble action with an internal rattle. The lip or the bill helps control how it behaves in the water. The lip will also help it to deflect from structure. All right, let's see what fishing lure we get today on day 13. Oh man! Okay, let's take a closer look at this fishing lure. The Ripper Soft Plastic Swim Bait. It has a built-in eternal weighted hook, also known as a jig. The blue body color gives off a strong contrast underwater, making the lure easy for predator fish to spot. In addition to the top weighted hook, there's a treble hook hanging from the bottom. This dramatically increases hookup rates. The Ripper Swim Bait is ideal for a slow, steady retrieve. Beginners don't need fancy techniques. Just cast it out, reel it in, and let the lure do all the work. All right, let's see what cool bass fishing lure we get today on day 14. Oh, wow! All right, let's open this up and see what we got. This is a multi-section soft plastic jig lure. It features a bionic, realistic design with a multi-section body to create lifelike action in the water. The lure has a weighted lead head and hook system and a treble hook on the bottom. It is suitable for both fresh and salt water. Let's see what fishing lure we get today on day 15, December 15th. See what cool fishing lure we get today. Oh man! Let's open it up and take a closer look. This is a trout spoon. It has a unique twist shape designed to create a rotating hypnotic action. The lure is effective even while sinking. It works great for trout fishing. The lure is equipped with an ultra sharp single barbed hook with a super strong split ring. All right, let's get right to it. Let's see what's on day 16 of our fishing lure advent calendar. All right, let's get a closer look at this. This is a fishing spoon lure. It is made of metal and features a treble hook and a red tail accent. Spoon lures like this are very versatile for various types of fishing, including vertical and ice fishing. This fishing spoon lure is effective for bass, trout, pike, and salmon. Rate this lure on a scale from 10 to 1. 10 is awesome, 1 is give it to my little brother. What day are we on? All right, let's get right into it. Day 17 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Looks like a big one. Oh man! Let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh, doggy! This is a Minnow style fishing lure. The lure has a clear plastic lip or bib to make it dive when it is retrieved. And retrieving is just when you're reeling it in. It comes with 2 treble hooks to increase your hookup ratio. The design mimics a small bait fish to attract predatory fish. All right, let's get right into it. Let's open it up and see what we got here. This is a metal vibration lure. 4 holes on the back are attachments to adjust the lure's action and vibration. It has a fish-shaped profile with 3D eyes. They produce strong vibrations to attract fish. They're equipped with 2 sharp treble hooks. When retrieved through the water, it creates a hard pulsating vibration that mimics injured bait fish, triggering reaction strikes from fish. This fishing lure is popular in murky or dirty water. This fishing lure will catch bass, walleye, pike and muskie, trout, salmon, and panfish like perch and crappie. Day 19 of our fishing lure advent calendar. All right, here we go, day 19. Let's see what we got. All right, let's cut it open and take a closer look. This is a soft plastic creature bait. The lure is enhanced with real coffee bean granulars to mask human scent and attract fish. It features bubble-tailed appendages and soft plastic tails to provide significant action in the water. It has reflective flake coloring to attract fish. Day 20 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Let's see what fishing lure we get today on day 20. Now luckily day 20 is right next to day 19, so we don't have to go all the way over here to look for it. So it's right here, so let's dig in. Let's see what cool fishing lure we get today on day 20.
Oh man!
All right, let's check it out and take a closer look. This is a Lucky John Insector soft plastic fishing lure in a pink color variant. It's an insect or creature imitation bait designed for catching big fat bass. The fishing lure measures 3 inches long. This fishing lure is impregnated with a mackerel or squid attractant to stimulate fish appetite. The design includes claws, legs, and a rid body to produce vibration and realistic action in the water. If you think you can slay a 5-pound bass with this fishing lure, comment Merry Christmas. If not, comment Bah Humbug. All right, let's get right into it. Day 21 here. Looking for a good bass lure or something. Oh man! Let's open it up and take a closer look. This is an inline spinner lure. It has a metal blade designed to spin in the water, producing flash and vibration to attract fish. It has pink fishing beads and brass components on the wire shaft. Inline spinners are effective in both moving and still water for various species of fish, including bass, trout, and pike. I personally use this 8-pound Mr. Crappie fishing line, and I tie this fishing line directly to the fishing lure. I don't use swivels or leader. I always tie directly to the hook or directly to the lure. This fishing line is a popular choice for light line application and can even handle bigger fish if your drag is set correctly. Okay, day 22 is right under the Santa Claus, so it should be a good one. All right, let's open this lure up and see what we got here. This is a lipless crankbait. The color is red-orange, which mimics crawfish. It is equipped with 2 treble hooks. The action is a sinking design. You use this lure to target bass and other freshwater fish. Be ready after casting this fishing lure as it's dropping through the water column. It's very possible that you will get slammed as the bait falls right after casting. Okay, we're in the lower left-hand corner this time with day 23. Tomorrow is day 24, and then it's over. But let's see what we got with day 23. Wow. Oh, man. All right, let's open this up and take a closer look. This is a hard plastic minnow style lure. Don't worry, it still floats. It comes with 2 super sharp treble hooks, commonly known as a jerkbait. You cast this out. Use quick rod twitches with slack line to make it dart erratically. Slack line is the key to make it dart erratically. In cooler water, you will pause longer. Day 24 of our fishing lure advent calendar. Let's see what fishing lure we get on the last day of our fishing lure advent calendar. All right, day 24. I'll be looking for a job tomorrow. Oh, man. Let's open it up and see what we got here. This is a soft silicone artificial shrimp fishing lure, pre-rigged with hook and swivel. It's made to mimic real shrimp look and feel. The lure is luminous or glows in the dark for effective night fishing. This fishing lure features realistic design with legs and antennae to attract fish. This fishing lure targets a wide range of fish in both fresh and salt water.